AJ here, and I'm with my two best friends, which this is my twin sister. She can say hi right now in real life.
Hi guys.
And we just met this guy. Our computers might crash because it's raining. So, Simplesnow, no thanks. I just wanna watch. So, I am going to tell you if this guy is a scammer or not. I think he probably is. He has necklaces on trade. He's doing trust. I'm recording even though he said not to, just in case, because I want proof for my friend to be able to get her longa back, because she is trying to trade her purple and pink long. I mean, it is better not to trade it away.
Oh gosh, she's saying, oh well, I have it on some other account.
What is the user? Guys, it is raining so hard. Oh gosh. No, it's not. What user?
I don't get that out.
So I am just recording just in case.
Oh
Gosh. Ugh. What is happening? Well, I'm going to sit here, just watch. Okay, trade when you're ready. I'm
seriously gonna give her a rare spike if she gets
not to trade it.
Oh.
My opinion is not to trade it. It is better not to trade. It is better. Why would someone give it away for a pink long? It's mysterious. Oh gosh, just saying.
Oh gosh, I'm scared.
Please don't. Please do not trade it. Do not trade it. His name is Simplesnow, just in case. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. No.
Okay, where's the like 200? I'm seriously.
Trade HD now.
Oh my gosh. Give it back now. Go! Give it! Oh my gosh.
Will.
Oh my gosh!
What'd he say?
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Said no, ha ha ha. Okay, that's it.
Everyone report Simplesnow now.
Oh my gosh.
And please, please trade or gift Øutshine something right now. I am not saying it as something bad.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
I was secretly recording.
Should I give her a rare spike? Should I?
Wait a minute.
Should I? Should you?
I will post it. Oh gosh. Guys, please gift Øutshine something real, something good. Not saying it because it's just pixels, but I get why she really loved it. She loves pink, and it was part of her main outfit, I could tell. This is on recording. Hope a lot of people see this. This is a scam. His name is Simply Snow? I forgot it, but I do know it's on record, and I'll just play it back and put it in the title. I hope you guys will pray for her. She has traded a lot for that pink long collar, and I just know that it was very hard to get, and I really hate that she lost it. And I am going to gift her something off camera, and I'll get back to you after I gift her. So guys, Øutshine is her username. If you can't find her, if you can't do those O's, just come. I just gave her a necklace, a fossil one, and I really hope she gets her items back by HHQ. HHQ, if you're watching this, please gift Øutshine a pink long if you have one, because I really am so sad for Simplesnow, I think it was. Be right back, guys, when I get her username. So this is Simplesnow. I'm going to try to buddy it. HHQ, please, if you're watching this, gift Øutshine her pink long back and ban Simplesnow for scamming. Okay, so I'm going to report and block him because he deserved it. Scamming is one of the rules. Do not scam in Animal Jam. And please share this with your friends who are willing to go up for this. A scam that he did was trust. Share this with your friends and tell them if they're going to be doing trust to just quit the giveaway and just go to their den or just trade. Trading is the right way, not gifting, but trust in the trading system is illegal in Animal Jam. Be right back, guys. Guys, I don't think he's gonna give it back, and I did another video of this is the same exact thing. This guy, oh gosh, guys, he just locked us out of his den. Oh gosh. I think he just, oh gosh. Please, let me go to her den. Got that also on record. Hope HHQ sees. I will send HHQ a jamagram after he bid. Oh my gosh, guys! Simplesnow is at Øutshine's den. Simple. If you give him give her spike back, I will tell HHQ how nice you really are. Oh, spike back? But why would he do that if he's not going to give her spike back? Did you give her spike back? Guys, I really hope she did. Let me unblock her and see what she said. I don't know. Nope, I gave her a room. Ha 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 ha. I got that on record. So sad. I will tell HHQ what happened. It's the worst day ever. I promise. Don't quit, please. Oh yeah, she's talking to her. It is just pixels. I bet HHQ can renew. Oh gosh, guys. Renew these spikes. Hopefully, after I after I send him the proof. Yeah. I am recording still. Hope both of you don't quit. So guys, please, if you want to know what her user is, it's right here. And please send her or gift her something. I'm gonna give everything. So please do not. Please share this video with your friends who's about to make this big deal with their lives. And show them the video and make sure they understand that to not do any trust giveaways. Because you all know that they would never, ever give away something that rare. So, Simplesnow is the username. Please report her or him. I really do not even know. Gosh, she locked her den. So, please, I really hope for the best that she gets her rares back. She traded almost like every item of hers, and she only has like, that was her very last, I'm pretty sure, rare spike.
She also traded 3 rare spikes.
Whoa. With the trust trade?
2 spans and 1 original.
Whoa. Guys, oh gosh. So, please pray for her. And I really hope for the best that she gets her stuff back from HHQ. And I hope HHQ watches this. I am doing outro. I hope you understand that trust is something that you should never trust. You should never, oh gosh, you should never trust. Stay wild. Peace. Which I always say in my videos. Peace, guys. Guys, don't quit. I won't. Guys, I'm gonna make this a little longer so that you understand or something. It's not like any, you know. But I really hope for the best that she does not quit after this, and I will gift her something. And I'm going to gift her we're back, guys. So guys, I am going to gift her a rare leaf necklace. I hope she enjoys it, and I hope for the best that she gets it. So